Hello everyone, I'm back again with another video, and on this video I'm just going to be unboxing a package I got from Grove Collaborative. So I found myself needing to pick up some, of course, natural personal goods and I thought, why not try out Grove? I've been seeing so many of their commercials and they sell the products that I use anyway. So I thought, let me try them out. And so when you order from them, you get a little welcome kit with your first order. And this was my first order. And they sent me some really interesting stuff. So I just want to show y'all. I haven't used any of it and I really, really wanted to. I almost put some of the stuff out because some of the stuff is fall scented, and of course we're thick into fall. But I just didn't have the heart to, because I said I was gonna make a video showing you guys the stuff because people love unboxing videos. All right, so with no further ado, I have the box right over here. Fold it up for you guys, and this is gonna be mine. Okay, so let's get into the box. Sorry, I have it sitting over here. So first things first, things that are not in the box that I was sent were, or that came in the box were toilet paper and paper towels. So paper goods, which I'm always trying to find better paper goods. But I used the paper goods. They were cool. But not as exciting as the stuff that's left in the box. Okay, so we'll go from least exciting to most exciting. Okay, so first exciting thing is these, and I kept the insert, I hope, yeah. Here. It goes in here, and everything is packaged so gorgeously, so that's always nice. So this is the Grove Collaborative Walnut and Cellulose Scrubber Sponge. And it says, I'm a tough scrubber with a soft touch. How cute. And so I use these type of sponges, and I replace my sponges a little more often than monthly because I cannot stand Grove sponges. So I'm excited to use these because the ones I currently get, I actually get at the Dollar Tree. And those are the best ones I found. I remember I tried some from H-E-B, but they were leaking. Like the blue ones from H-E-B were leaking. The blue dye the thing was leaking into my dishes, so I couldn't use those anymore. So I'm excited to try these out because they feel pretty nice. Like they might last a little bit better than the ones from the Dollar Tree that I use. Okay. Next, we have the Mrs. Meyer's Cleaning Day Acorn Spice Scent. So this is what was itching me to bring out for fall. Right now, I have the Everyone Lavender Coconut Hand Soap by my bathroom sink. But now that it's fall, of course, oh shoot. It smells really good. Acorn Spice, yeah, it smells, that's a good name for the scent. It smells super fall, spicy, earthy. So now that I've shown you guys this product, Mrs. Meyer's Acorn Spice, I can put it out. And I'll just retire my lavender one until, I don't know, until this one finishes out, I guess. Next, I already used Mrs. Meyer's dishwashing liquid. I use the lemon verbena, and I buy it in a 3-pack from Amazon because that's the best deal I've found. But I was excited to get their one. It's a limited edition scent, Compassion Flower. How sweet is that? And we'll just smell it. I like the lemon verbena because when I'm washing with it, I feel like it kind of wakes me up. It keeps me energized. This one, oh yeah, Compassion Flower. It just smells really floral and sweet and soft. So I'm excited for that dishwashing experience. So this one, I have the lemon verbena scent, and I really like that one because it keeps me up and like bubbly when I'm washing dishes. But this is like a soft, floral, kind of velvety scent. So it might be good for nighttime dishwashing, like before you go to bed, because it really is a scent that I feel like can kind of make you feel really relaxed and sleepy. But I'm excited to try it out. Let me see. Okay, this is my favorite item, so I'm gonna save it for last. My second to favorite item. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is my second to favorite item for sure. This is the Grove Collaborative glass spray bottle with silicone sleeve. Let me see. Oh, it has a little, okay. All right, cool. Drop that right there. So this is it. It's so cute. The sleeve is mint colored, but it comes off, as you can see. But it's nice because you can use the sleeve to label your DIY cleaning solutions. All my cleaning solutions are DIY. So I'm excited about this, and it's nice. It's a glass. I don't know if you can hear it. Yeah, it's a glass spray bottle, so you can use your essential oils and stuff and not worry about the plastic being leached into by your oils or heating using hot products or warm things. Like some things work better warm, and you don't want to do that in plastic, and then it starts to release all the stuff in the plastic once it gets like mushy and soft. Yeah, so I'm excited. This is my first glass spray bottle. I know, first of many. And it comes with this glass cleaner, orange and rosemary concentrate. So apparently you can mix this with water. Okay, and that's cute, and it's recyclable. I'll try it out. I'll try it out. I do have a lot of glass. My coffee table and my side table are glass. And I guess you could do it on your mirrors and stuff too. And I have a glass top on my outdoor table. So I do a lot of glass cleaning, but I typically clean my glass with white vinegar and water, maybe an essential oil if I want to, but I will try theirs out and see if I like it any better. Okay, now on to my favorite item. You guys, if you are an aspiring homemaker like myself, you love, like I love having little cutesy stuff in my home, especially like something about like just a little two-piece. My kitchen right now, one day, I mean, I'm gonna do an apartment tour really soon, I promise, and y'all will see my kitchen. And I have a mortar and pestle in there that I really love, and this just reminds me of that, and I love it. So this is my favorite item. So it's the Grove Collaborative. It's called Bubble Up. How cute. Soap dispenser and dish brush set. And of course the mint color, so cute. So basically it's a really simple little device here. Let me pose with it. So it has a dish brush, and it's fairly firm, which I like. You hear that? You get some ASMR, LOL. And so it has this little contraption in the bowl, which is literally just a ceramic bowl. So I love it because it's super easy to clean. I'm always about keeping things nice and clean, especially your cleaning supplies. And then it's just a basic spring and a little perforated little disc here. So that's how you get the bubbles. So you just take this little brush and you can just push down on there, and then that'll start to make the soap. This one I was so excited to use, but I decided to wait until I showed y'all it first. And so now I'm gonna just go take it to my kitchen because I'm gonna start using it. I'm back. So I just put it in my kitchen because I've been ready to use it, and now y'all seen it, so I can. So that was all the stuff in the welcome kit. I want to say, I wish I had the insert, but I'm sure this welcome kit was valued at least $30, but I'll look it up and I'll put it in the video. And definitely you get tons of cool stuff that you'll definitely use, especially cleaning stuff. It's like you use it and you buy more, so it's nice to get it for free. Real quick, because I know someone's gonna ask me, this lip color is Milani. I just bought it today, so I have to put it on. Milani Magnificent. And so I really feel like I needed a fall shade, and so this is it. But that is it. So hopefully I might come back to you guys next time I get some more of my natural products, or just to review. If y'all want a deeper, in-depth look at any of these products, let me know. Until then, bye.